Hello friends, welcome to Stocks and Scripts. Today Nifty 50 raised by 31 points and closed at 21,544, whereas Sensex raised by 44 points and closed at 71,399, and Bank Nifty fall by 207 and closed at 47,242. Indian stocks had a positive start, opening at 21,650 and gaining throughout the day. However, towards the end, a sharp fall in banking stocks pulled the index down to close at 21,544, with a net gain of 31 points. The real estate sector performed the best, showing a 2.52% increase, followed by pharmaceuticals and auto industries. On the downside, the media sector experienced the most significant decline. Both the Bank Nifty and the PSU banking sector ended the day with losses. Looking at the overall scenario, the index is moving within a range of 21,500 to 21,800. A breakout in either direction will provide a clearer indication of the market trend. The Bank Nifty index faced persistent selling pressure from bears, especially when the index tried to go higher. Right now, it's encountering a tough challenge at the 48,000 mark, and there's a notable increase in open interest for call options at this level. The index has immediate support around the 47,000 to 46,900 levels. Next we need to talk about Polycab. Today, shares of Polycab dropped by over 7% due to reports of a 200 crore tax evasion. The income tax department found transactions of 250 to 300 crore in the company's promoter accounts. The company denied these allegations. The stock was trading at 4,964.95, down 7.1% at 1:45 p.m. The Income Tax Department conducted raids on 50 locations of Polycab on December 22, claiming to have collected evidence of tax evasion over the last 5-6 years. Despite this, Polycab stated that they hadn't received any communication about the outcome of the December search. They responded to clarifications and details requested by the Income Tax Department after the search. Polycab India operates 23 manufacturing facilities, 15 offices, and over 25 warehouses across India. They produce cables, wires, and fast-moving electrical goods, FMEG. In the quarter ending September 2023, Polycab's consolidated net profit grew by 58.5% to 436.89 rupees crore. However, in the last month, Polycab India's shares have fallen by 12%, and 6% of this drop occurred after the raids on December 22. The company is involved in the manufacturing of various electrical products and reported significant profit growth in the recent quarter. Next we will talk about TataMotors. TataMotors reached a 52-week high of 809 rupees on January 9 because Jaguar Land Rover, JLR, its luxury car division, reported the highest wholesale figures in 11 quarters during October-December. The stock rose by 2.5% as JLR sold 27% more vehicles compared to the same period last year. Analysts at Morgan Stanley gave TataMotors an overweight rating with a target price of 890 rupees, expecting a 10% increase from the current level. In the past month, TataMotors stock surged over 12%, outperforming the Nifty Auto Index's 4% rise. JLR's wholesale volumes for FY24 so far stand at 2.9 lakh vehicles, up 28% from the previous year. The order book reflects strong demand, with 1.48 lakh client orders by the end of the third quarter. Retail volumes increased globally, with notable growth in the UK, overseas, China, Europe, and North America. Motilal Oswal analysts also gave TataMotors a buy rating with a target price of 900 rupees, anticipating growth in JLR supported by global PV demand recovery, a strong order book, and a favorable product mix. While JLR continues its healthy recovery, TataMotors passenger and commercial vehicle businesses may experience a slowdown due to normal base effects and a slowdown in lower-end PV and LCVs. As of 12:45 p.m., TataMotors stock was trading at 804.35 rupees on the National Stock Exchange, up 1.93% from the previous close. Next, we'll talk about Adani. On January 9, many stocks of Adani Group companies saw slight increases in afternoon trading, with Adani Ports reaching a 52-week high. This came after the conglomerate announced plans to invest 42,768 rupees crore in Tamil Nadu. The Adani Group, involved in port operations, power, renewable energy, cement, data centers, and city gas distribution, signed agreements with the Tamil Nadu government during a global investors meet on January 8. Adani Green will invest 24,500 rupees crore, Adani Conics 13,200 rupees crore, Ambuja Cements 3,500 rupees crore, and Adani Total Gas and CNG 1,568 rupees crore in the state. These investments are expected to create 10,300 job opportunities. Stocks like Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, Adani Power, Adani Energy Solutions, Adani Total Gas, and Adani Green Energy saw gains of 1 to 3%. Motilal Oswal Financial Services considers Adani Ports and SEZ as a top pick for 2024. They anticipate mid-teens volume growth over the FY 23-26 period, aiming to become India's largest integrated transport utility and the world's largest private port company by 2030. The brokerage firm reiterated a buy call on the stock with a price target of 1,410 rupees, suggesting over a 20% upside. Mofsal highlighted Adani Ports' efforts to strengthen capabilities in various logistics segments, providing end-to-end services and capturing a higher market share. If you like the content provided, please hit the like button. Thank you.